Hey guys, let's see how to delete the Netflix history, okay? Or at least you can hide the history. So basically you just need to come to the netflix.com and look for the login page and just hit here sign in. Then you can log into your page. You can use your email address or use a sign-in code. Log into my account. And here on the right side, you just look for the user that you want to delete the history. And you come here to manage profiles. There we go, that's the user. And you go down, you look for view activity. And there we go. You can just hide the history here. And keep hiding anything that you want. Right? Or you can just come down and hide all. Okay, you can hide all the activities if you want to. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just hide one by one. Otherwise, it's gonna hide things that the user is supposed to see. Okay, so just hide anything you want from here. Okay, so pretty simple. That's the way you can hide any history from your Netflix. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.